Inqoba esekhukhune kubuyisa ithemba kubalandeli bempofana. Amakhosi abethole kanzima njengoba emdlalweni yawo abehlulwa kulandelana. Ntseki Uthi nabo bakulomdlalo neCitizens bezethemba kakhulu.
We are looking forward to keep the smiles on our faces, all of us that are associated with the club. But we are fully aware that tomorrow is another cup final. We know what to expect from Cape Town City.
Ntseki Uthi angeke kodwa balenze iphutha lokukhanyisa ngobhaqa iCape Town City.
We are aware of how they've been playing in the past 4 matches. It was their first win after the 3 matches of which they did not get maximum points. So obviously coming into this one, playing us, it will be a tough one. Motivated obviously after they won in the last match against Cape Town Spurs.
Ntseki Uthi ukwesekwa akuthole kubaphathi beqembu nakubadlali kumsize kakhulu.
We don't entertain negativity, which really helps, because if you do, you end up dwelling too much into negativity, and then you end up even doubting yourself and your abilities.
Umdlalo weKaizer Chiefs neCape Town City uzoba seFNB Stadium eGoli.